Hi, this is Nick from Race3D, and in this video, we're going to be going over the filament features of PVA. When it comes to printing intricate parts, removing support material can become an impossible task. For these situations, using PVA can create incredible parts that take little to no effort to clean up. Polyvinyl alcohol, or PVA for short, is a polymer that is soluble in water, making for easy cleanup of heavily supported models. Some things to keep in mind about PVA are that it is a more expensive material, it's only compatible with filaments in the same temperature range, and using it can increase the overall print time. It's also very important that the filament be fully dehydrated before printing. To find out if PVA is right for your application, visit us at race3d.com.